Fashion promotion is a branch of marketing that specialises in communications. It's where fashion, marketing and media meet. Fashion promoters use a range of specialisms such as advertising, digital marketing, content creation, magazines, public relations to deliver campaigns and messages to consumers. Here at the Atrium, we teach the breadth and depth of the fashion communications industry. Our students get to work on live briefs and really understand the parameters of being a professional, and they learn from the professionals, getting feedback to enhance and develop their practice. The things our students tell us they love about the course are freedom to express themselves, freedom to explore new technologies and apply it to their projects, and our strong industry links. I'm really passionate about closing the gap between the classroom and industry to ensure that our students keep learning beyond the classroom and they're learning in situation in the workplace.